Hey, my minions, we are back with another video, and today we are playing Minecraft on a server. As you can see in the background, there's a bunch of people, maybe. Hypixel is the server. It's a really good server. If you have Minecraft, I suggest you check it out. And today we're going to be playing survival games, at least a round or two in survival games. And I am a gentle slime. I think this is going to be my skin for a long while. Because, Gentle Slime is amazing. He's the gentlest of all slimes. Just like a British man. They're gentle. Not to be offensive to British, that was supposed to be a compliment, but I think it came out the wrong way. Wait, where's my crosshair? Oh. Well, we got some armor. No weapons, though. Because, gentle slimes don't need weapons. Well, they're doing this. And food is health, by the way. Wait, I need that cap. Oh god. Okay, everyone left. So I'm gonna check do this. Need more steak. Ow. Okay, I'm going. Dude, leave me alone. I'm a gentle slime. Just don't be a hater. Oh god. Holy crap, he didn't even see me. No. You little... Ugh. I hate you. Need weapons. Yeah, just hit me closer to people. They'll save me probably. They'll stop him, at least. Dude, just leave me alone, man. Oh god. I'm not doing anything, man. I totally have no clue who you are. Alright, gentle slime is not so... Okay, I'm gonna just look through these for a weapon. And, good armor. No. I thought. Oh god, he's coming. There's a person. Nope. Don't mess with me, man. How did he kill me? That's a big pile of crap right there. Oh, gentle slime. Must be a gentle slime. You are not real. That's not a YouTuber. Or whatever skin that was. That's supposed to be a YouTuber. Oh my god, that's an awesome skin. I like that skin. It's awesome. We're kind of playing with the controller, so, it's kind of cheating, but not. Hey, no rules said that I couldn't play with the controller. Oh my god, I haven't seen this map. I'm going for that chest over there. Oh, no, another guy had an idea. Oh, great. Some armor and some food. That's not really great. Someone looted that. See, everyone's all chill in the beginning. There's a lot of nice people on this. I like it. Except for that last one. Jesus. That was a douchebag. Sorry for my language. But I had to let something out. A weapon. Great. Hopefully we could get a better weapon. Hey, look, the Iron Enderman. He already looted that. Hopefully me and him are chill. You... Good thing it's not the Iron Enderman, though. No, cause... Ass wipe. Oh, all chests have been revealed. A better weapon, I guess. Better weapon, I guess. Okay, there we go. Ooh, better armor. And I think there's some boots. Yep. Oh god. Oh god. You know what? I have an axe. Wants to get chopped in the face. Oh god, I shouldn't eat any more food. Okay, someone already looted that. You just stay the hell away from me. As I was going to say, people are nice in this game. But obviously, no. Oh yeah, this little guy. This is bullcrap. How did I kill him? But, you know, I might not make it away from this. Got food though, so. No, you shouldn't have, like, messed with me. Get wrecked. And I'm gonna heal up. Should eat an apple. Okay. Yes. Oh wait. And yes. Acquired hardware. Oh, and I got some iron boots. Some iron little booties. Okay, nothing I need in there. Nothing I need in there. Nothing I need in there. Yes. Diamond helmet is mine. Three diamonds, definitely mine, and a stick. Oh wait, let me put down some pants. There's a crafting table. No, I made. Oh, and it didn't even come through. Iron sword, yes. Because obviously, diamond boots, yes. Three more diamonds. Oh god. 30 seconds. Where's that stick? Where? No. Where's that stick? Need a stick. Come on. No. No, I need a stick. No. Well, great. I'm dead. That was easy. Where is everyone? Oh wait, I have a diamond axe. Why am I not using that? Even though it does the same amount of damage as like an iron sword, so I don't really see what's the difference. Where is everybody? Hello? I haven't seen a soul except for that other person. What the hell? You sneaky little bastard. Axe. What the hell? This is insane! I'm getting out of here. This is fucking bullshit. Yeah, you little bitch. Well, I hope you all enjoyed watching, and holy crap, that's a lot of stuff. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed watching, and I will probably see you next time. Peace.